Tashdile and welcome to Tibet this week. This is Sakina Batt with another edition of Weekly News on Tibet, His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Central Tibetan Administration. Let's look at the headlines first. His Holiness the Dalai Lama began teaching for over 35,000 devotees. CTA President wishes on the New Year 2020. His Holiness the Dalai Lama expressed appreciation in the work of the United Nations in helping people in need and urged donors to contribute towards such noble cause.
냠타고 시우들 도가 다 강자 사업식이 인체 너는 여대도 잘겠다 봐 다도 좀리 계속이 유네스코 그래 가다 진정리 계속 공내 저것도 잘이야 다도 해야지 싫어야 오래 그다 스티디인데 아들이 좀리 계속이 밑쪽으로 다도 해야지 가다 지수지요래 His
Holiness conferred Avalokiteshvara initiation today in Bodh Gaya. Around 35,000 people from over 67 countries gathered at Bodh Gaya to attend His Holiness the Dalai Lama's 5-day teachings that began on the 2nd of January. His Holiness started with teachings on Gyaltse Thogme Sangpo's 37 practices of a Bodhisattva on the first day at the Kala Chakra ground. On January 4th, 5th and 6th, His Holiness will complete the wheel of teachings on Manjushri empowerments based on his proximal lineage that he began in Bodh Gaya in December 2018.
We are here to attend the teachings of Dalai Lama.
We are so happy that His Holiness is here and we can also enjoy the beautiful teachings.
So unbelievable to be here at the same time as the Dalai Lama. He changed his schedule. We are so blessed. Free Tibet!
Very fortunate His Holiness is here offering teachings as well, so thank you very much.
CTA President Dr. Lobsang Singye wished all our viewers a Happy New Year on his way to Bodh Gaya at the Delhi airport.
I'm here at Delhi airport on my way to Bodh Gaya, where Buddha attained Nirvana. I just want to wish you all a very happy New Year, and may this New Year bring you much success and good health, and all your hard work pay off.
So much for today. See you next time and have a great weekend.